Hi guys, in this video we are going to do a whole house cleanup starting with my son's room. So I'm going to start with stripping the bed and taking out all the beddings that are all dirty. This is what this room looks like. This is the pile of laundry and the bedding that were on the bed previously that we need to get washed. So yes, that is all I have for you guys today. Pure cleaning up. I hope you enjoy it. This is the mosquito repellent I bought a while back, if you guys remember. So my review is it's really good and has lasted me a whole month. I'd say a month and 2 weeks because it's not even done yet. I'm not even done with it yet. So yeah, that is the room. Second spot is my bedroom. So I finally finished this artwork pieces and they turned out so well. Look at that. So this is a textured piece. For those of you who do not know, I actually paint. I have a business where I sell paintings. So yeah, you can always order paintings from me and I deliver. Today this is the mess we're dealing with. So these are actually clean clothes. Some of them were from the laundry from during the week, midweek, and I haven't had time to fold them. That is why they're all over the place. And I also need to clean up this wardrobe because the fundis are actually coming for the wardrobe space. From my room, we're also going to do the same thing. We're going to strip the bed, and yes, we are once again doing the duvet. We are washing the duvet. So this is the storage I had originally, and I requested our landlord that we needed more space because this particular wardrobe was not enough for the two of us. So we requested that he makes us a wardrobe, and he did that. I'm going to give you a reveal. My living room is another hot mess, courtesy of my almost 3-year-old toddler. He turns 3 in a few days. But he's not 3 yet, so he's still my little baby. This is the person responsible for this living room looking like this. No matter how hard I try, I can never keep it too clean. So yes, this is what we're working with. The kitchen is another hot mess. Look at that. So yes, our houses are not always perfect. My house is not always perfect. I went shopping the previous night. I haven't taken out anything except the things that needed to go in the fridge. Otherwise, everything else is just in the bag. Looks like the TV belongs to my son because he's the one who worked so hard and bought his parents a TV. So on other news, I would encourage that you involve the toddler when you're cleaning up, like his toys. Let him be the one to clean up his toys. So yeah, that is a parenting tip 101. A vacuum cleaner is on my top priority to buy list, and since I haven't bought it yet, I am using this soft brush to clean my carpet. It does a pretty decent job, save for the fact that it is quite tedious, and by the time you're done, your hands are so tired. If you're enjoying this video so far, do like, share and subscribe to even more content, and I don't mind you guys recommending more videos that you'd like to see me do. On to the kitchen. This is the mess I am dealing with. I am currently doing our week's laundry. I'm also taking out the supplies that we've used throughout the month, the empty tins, the empty bottles and all that, and doing the dishes all at the same time. The one chore I actually do hate.
We're playing with fire. Everything turned to dust. When we aim to fly higher, we got lost and dragged each other down. We kept running from
To clean my dishes, I'm using the Morning Fresh dish paste and the Velvex dishwashing liquid. Yes. For those of us who work throughout the week, I would recommend you do the dishes at night. I prefer doing the dishes at night because it keeps bugs like cockroaches away. Cockroaches do love dirty dishes, so If you want to keep them away, do wash your dishes before you go to bed. Then it gives you an easy time in the morning when you're preparing for work. You do not have to do the dishes, then go to work. The duvet is now clean. The duvet cycle is done, and tonight's gonna be a good night. So on the list is my son's duvet and his blanket. So I actually prefer putting the detergent in the tank itself and then putting the whatever softener in the softener compartment. Yes. So our dishes are almost dry. I'm doing the ones that we used during lunch. Like I told you, I can never have my sink clear of dishes because we cannot stop eating.
To understand that we weren't meant to be. We kept running from the shadows in the night, realizing it was not worth the fight.
Time for my restock. So this time I'm not going to do a shopping haul because once again I lost the footage. My apologies. I did it and then I realized I wasn't shooting. I unpacked and unboxed everything, then realized my camera was turned off the whole time. So the bits I have left, because I could not redo the video, I was already exhausted from cleaning up. So I usually just buy the basics. You guys know my shopping list. It is literally the same. Yeah. So let's refill the cooking flour, the rice and all that. Yeah, that's it. This is the rice we had left over from last time, so we're going to put it in a separate tin, then put the new rice in the bottom. This rice is really delicious. It costs a lot, but it's worth it. I feel it's worth the price. Before that, I have to clean my countertops before I put food in it, and I'm using the Magni surface cleaner to do that. So these are all the clean laundry that I have done during the day. And yes, we have to fold this, another task I hate. So the wardrobes are also here. I am going to show you guys a video. First and foremost, let us get this laundry folded, because if I leave it to go into the week, I will not do it, and I will keep pushing and postponing it till God knows when. The fundies came in and installed, and this is what it looks like. I finally have enough storage space and I am so happy. I am so excited because now I have more than enough space. So one more drawer belongs to me, that drawer belongs to my roommate, and then the third drawer belongs to things that we do not use as often, things that we want to store, like the extra duvet, basically a linen drawer. Being we live in a house with white walls, I have to clean the walls every once in a while. Same way I have to clean my bed. As usual, I am using Mr. Muscle Clean and Disinfect Floor Cleaner to do my mopping. Yes, this is what I am using. And it works so well and smells so good. I can't emphasize enough on the convenience of this TV stand, the fact that it has wheels. So I also ordered some of our groceries. Here in Tatu, you have to stock up, otherwise you will sleep hungry. So you have to literally buy stuff in bulk so that you don't have to struggle during the week if you're a person who doesn't leave the house as often. Worry not though, there are people who actually sell everything, so all you have to do is order and they will deliver, so you don't also have to go to the market, because there is actually someone who will bring it to your house. Talk about convenience. Look at that, after a whole day's work, it looks clean, it looks fresh. I love this carpet. Even when I'll have to exchange it, I still love it. I want to change it because I want to like do a whole refresh of everything in my house. But in due time. The kitchen is also clean, the countertops are empty, the sink is empty, and it's 6:20 and I still have my last cycle in the laundry. I am still doing laundry and it is 6:20. And if you thought I was done cleaning, guess again, today I'm not wiping down those countertops because tomorrow is another day. Second pile of laundry, and then we're done with laundry. I hope so. So my clean duvet goes to my room, and then we fold all his clothes. These tiny clothes are the worst. They take so long to like just fold. I prefer our clothes to the baby's clothes. They are too tiny and too many.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So it's now time to spread the bed, and it's already dark. It's around 8 by the time I was done. So yeah, here is my son's bed. I'm planning for him to go to the top bunk because the bottom bunk is actually too big for him. It's actually a 5x6 bed on the bottom and then a 4.5 on the top bunk. So I'm supposed to start working on the top bunk so that he can move up, and then the bottom bunk will stay for the guests. Guys, I wasn't able to record while washing the bathroom. I'll do that next time. Thank you guys for watching this far. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos. I ended my day with eating supper and getting onto that Single Kiasi episode season 2, and I loved this show. So if you haven't watched Single Kiasi, it's on Showmax. Go ahead, go watch it. It's actually worth the time. Otherwise, thank you so much and bye.
Us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see